200 Greatest Kitchen Gadgets. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I am exploring the 200 greatest kitchen gadgets on Amazon to transform your daily meal preparation. If you want to cook smarter and keep your countertops organized, I have found some incredible tools for you. Let us jump straight into the lineup. Product number 1. Full-Star Pro Original Vegetable Chopper. Chopper and Spiralizer. Food chopper with container. Fruit cutter, onion dicer, all-in-one prep tool, kitchen gadgets and gifts, 2-in-1, white. Whenever I need to prepare a large meal, this vegetable chopper is the first tool I grab from my cabinet. I absolutely love how the massive 5-cup catch tray allows me to dice an entire batch of onions and peppers in under 30 seconds. It completely eliminates the tedious manual prep work that usually keeps me away from making complex salads or salsas. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are exceptionally sharp, gliding through tough vegetables without any resistance. I also appreciate the thoughtful design of the soft grip handle and the non-skid rubber base, which keeps the entire unit perfectly stable on my countertop while I push down. Product number 2. Zulay Kitchen Spoon Rest for multiple utensils, high heat-resistant silicone drip pad, BPA-free spoon holder for stovetop, kitchen gadget holder for ladles, tongs, cooking spatula, makes great gift. Keeping my stovetop spotless used to be a constant struggle until I added this silicone drip pad to my daily cooking routine. I find the 4 dedicated slots incredibly useful when I am multitasking and juggling different ladles, tongs, and spatulas at the same time. The raised edges perfectly contain all the messy oil and sauce drips, completely protecting my counters from stubborn stains. I was genuinely impressed by the high heat-resistant silicone material, which allows me to place it right next to hot burners without worrying about melting or warping. The non-slip base ensures it stays exactly where I put it, even in a hectic kitchen environment. Product number 3. Silicone Spatula Set. 5-piece food-grade rubber spatulas for baking, cooking, and mixing, high heat-resistant, non-stick, dishwasher-safe, BPA-free, multicolor. I have gone through countless cheap baking tools, but this 5-piece silicone spatula set has completely won me over with its outstanding durability. The food-grade rubber construction feels incredibly solid in my hand, making folding heavy dough or scraping the sides of a mixing bowl exceptionally easy. I use these spatulas for everything from delicate baking tasks to stirring thick sauces over high heat, and they consistently perform flawlessly. The non-stick surface ensures that sticky ingredients slide right off, preventing any frustrating waste. Because they are highly heat-resistant, I never have to worry about the edges melting or degrading into my food. Product number 4. Full-Star Pro Original Vegetable Chopper. Chopper and Spiralizer. Food chopper with container, fruit cutter, onion dicer, all-in-one prep tool. Kitchen gadgets and gifts. 4-in-1, clear. For those days when I want maximum visibility while prepping my ingredients, this clear version of the original Pro Chopper is my absolute favorite. The transparent container lets me keep a close eye on my freshly chopped fruits and vegetables, ensuring I never overfill the bin during heavy prep sessions. I find the incredibly sharp stainless steel blades make quick work of everything from soft tomatoes to hard root vegetables. Just like the white model, this kitchen gadget cuts my cooking prep time down significantly and takes away the stress of handling sharp knives. The compact frame means it takes up barely any room in my drawers, making storage completely hassle-free. It features the same comfortable soft grip handle and secure rubber base that I rely on for safe, stable operation. Product number 5. Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper, mandolin slicer, onion mincer, cutter, dicer, veggie chopper with container, kitchen essentials, housewarming gifts, new home, black.
This 10-in-1 professional series chopper is a total game changer when I want extreme versatility without cluttering my kitchen with a dozen different gadgets. I am amazed by the 8 interchangeable blades that effortlessly handle everything from fine mincing to julienne slicing and heavy shredding. Whether I need perfectly diced tomatoes for a fresh salsa or finely grated cabbage for a crisp coleslaw, this tool delivers flawless results every single time. The robust stainless steel construction feels incredibly tough, easily standing up to daily use without showing any signs of wear. I really enjoy using the included food holder, which keeps my fingers completely safe while I slice smaller fruits and vegetables.
Thank you so much for joining me to look at these fantastic finds. I hope you discovered a brilliant new tool to make your cooking routine smoother and much more enjoyable. Keep creating delicious meals, and I will catch you in the next video.